Well, here's the HRO 500 I'm still trying to fix. This video is about how to change the light bulbs. So the lock light on this thing has not been working, of course. The light bulb's burned out. It takes a special GE light bulb, or I'm sorry, AT&T light bulb, I think, Sylvania. So I tried to put an LED into the socket, but that didn't seem like a smart idea. So I'm probably going to buy the original light bulb off of eBay and put that back in. But this is held in via that little clamp there and a couple of nuts that goes on right here. So here's the other lamp in here. This lamp down here, 12-volt lamp, lights up this little radical thing here. I'm not sure how it does it from way down there. I'm not sure at all, but I'll get an LED, 12-volt LED in there in order and see how that works. So of great concern are these bulbs in the rotating cylinder here. There's two bulbs in here. I didn't have any 12-volt LEDs to put in there, so I didn't bother yet. But this is sort of a pain to get out. Not the worst, but it's rather odd. So if you were to take it out, there are two screws right here, right there, that you got to get out. So this thing fits in like this. I'll put it back in and show you how it should lay in here. It goes like this pretty much. So you can see how it goes in there, and two screws are holding it right there. And then this slips into the cylinder. So the cylinder is around here. Let's see. Here it is. So here's the rotating cylinder. And this you can take out. Once this is loosened and pulled away, you can slip this out. And how does this mount? Well, this side has set screws. So you can see the little indentations here. Right there is a set screw. Right there is a set screw. So that rides here on this axle. So you would insert this into here and then get it back on this axle and line it up and tighten the little screws, and you're all set and good to go. And then the little flipper thing, they call this the mask. The mask goes on to, well, it goes on to this thing. So this has to be connected, and it goes right there. So the motion of the mask that's simply a bearing that rides along with the mask. What controls the mask really is the band switch from over here, and that will control the mask. So when I flick the band switch, the mask is moving. It's not moving back. I've already screwed something up. Oh, wow. It gets all out of alignment. This is going to be a joy to get working again. So I'm sure there's 10,000 things to line up, but the mask goes in here and it goes right on like that. There's a couple little screws to get it on. So I think it's going to be really painful to get this thing all lined up again. But that's probably why light bulbs are burned out and not replaced, because nobody wanted to deal with this whole mess in the past. But since I want this thing to be perfect, I'm dealing with it. So that is the scoop. What remains on this thing is band 5 needs fixed, band 1 and 2 needs fixed. I want to get a string in here for this thing to actually operate with the band switch. And maybe that's my next task to do, since I'm sort of blocked on everything else. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.